Okay, so since I'm not here this afternoon and you guys are on your own, I made this video so that you can see how we are going to use substitution to solve this system. So here we have y equals 6x minus 11, and here we have negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 7. So we know that this part right here, 6x minus 11, is actually equal to y. So because of that, we can replace this y in the second equation with 6x minus 11. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this second equation here, negative 2x minus 3, but instead of the y, I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses here and replace it with 6x minus 11, close parentheses, and then resume equaling negative 7. So again, I've just replaced this y here with 6x minus 11. Now I'm going to go ahead and go through and simplify. So I notice that I have negative 2x minus 3 here, and I know that the negative 3 is going to have to be distributed through. And to help me remember that, I'm going to go ahead and put an addition sign here, because negative 2x minus 3 and negative 2x plus negative 3 are the same thing. So going through this now, I have negative 2x, I'm just going to bring that down, and then I have to distribute this negative 3 through. So negative 3 times 6x is, here's that plus, negative 18x, and then negative 3 times negative 11 is going to be positive 33, and then I'm going to bring that equals down negative 7 here. So now I have distributed through, and now I'm just going to continue to simplify. So I see that I have a negative 2x here, and I have added to that a negative 18x here, and then this is a integer. And so I'm going to go ahead and combine these two, negative 2x, negative 18x, that's negative 20x, and then add that 33 here. All of that equals negative 7. Just to make this look more like a two-step equation, I'll put that line there. I need to get x alone, so I'm going to get rid of this plus 33. The way I undo plus 33 is subtract 33 from both sides, keeping it all equal, and so I'll bring down that negative 20x, and then equals negative 7 and negative 33 together become negative 40. So I have negative 20x equals negative 40. I'm going to divide, because negative 20 times x, the opposite operation is to divide, and doing it here, and that gives me x is equal to positive 2, because we know negative divided by negative is positive. So now I have x equals 2, but I still need to figure out what y is. So I can go ahead and plug this back in to this equation or this equation, either one, but I'll choose the top one, it seems easier. So now I have y equals 6, but instead of x, I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses 2 there and then subtract 11. So y equals 6 times 2 is 12 minus 11. Y equals 1. So I have x is 2 and y is 1. And the way we write the solution to this system is in an ordered pair, so we write it as 2, 1. So that is how you solve a system using a slope-intercept form equation and then a standard form equation. You just take the section that equals y and you just plug it in for y here. And then again, you have the 2, 1 as the solution. Now you may run into on this worksheet no solution or infinite solutions, and the way you can check that is you can go ahead and solve for y on this equation too and see if they have the same slope and or the same intercept. All right, good luck with this. We will go over it tomorrow. I'm sorry I can't be here. Please help each other if you understand how to do this, or ask Jalea. Thanks.